Hello and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to reset your MetaMask password. To begin resetting your MetaMask password, you must have a MetaMask account. If you do not, open up your MetaMask account and let's say you've forgotten your password or you cannot simply remember the passcode into your wallet. In order to be able to reset your password, you're going to need to make sure your secret phrase or your private keys were stored remotely or outside of your phone, either by writing them down or keeping them in a safe location. Now, in order to be able to unlock your wallet or in order to be able to reset your password, resetting your password means the current account inside here would be deleted, but you could recover all of that with your secret phrase or private key. Now, when you select the reset wallet option, so if you click on reset wallet, you'd be prompted to erase your wallet completely, which you could do by clicking I understand and continue. So if you click on I understand, continue, you'll then be asked to enter the term delete. And once you've entered the term delete, all you need to do is click on delete my wallet. And when you select the delete my wallet option, your wallet would be deleted. And once your wallet has been deleted, you'd be prompted to change your password and any significant information on your wallet. So you'd be prompted to change your password. That's the password into your account. You'd be asked to create a new password. You'd also be asked to save your seed phrase. So guys, simply click on the delete my wallet option. And by selecting delete my wallet, any of your cryptocurrencies inside of MetaMask would be deleted. All wallets inside MetaMask would be deleted. Now, once it's done, click on import using secret recovery phrase. When you click on import using secret recovery phrase, you're met with create a new password and confirm a new password. So please make sure you confirm a password or create a password that you find easily to remember and harder for others to guess. You could also scan your secret recovery phrase if you stored it via QR code, and you could manually enter it. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.